Welcome back. Here's problem number 3, and here we have to find the slope of the line through the points -6, 2 and 3, -7. Let's recall the formula. The slope formula is change in y over change in x, and that's represented by m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. We can go ahead and substitute the coordinates, and if it helps you, you can label your coordinates, and we'll do that here. We have x of 1, y sub 1, x of 2, y sub 2 here. So that helps you substitute them. And of course, we have our change in y, which is -7 minus 2 over, and then we have x of 2 minus x of 1, 3 minus -6. Be careful with this. Make sure you enclose that in parentheses, -6. Let's go ahead and do the math here. We have -9 over 3 plus 6. This is looked at when you have a double negative, change it to a plus, and that's over 9. Okay, so the slope is -9 divided by 9. But before we simplify, do you expect this slope to be positive or negative? Since the line goes downward as x increases, the slope would be negative. So think about that. Since the line goes downward as x increases, the slope should be negative. So now let's go ahead and simplify. -9 divided by 9 is -1. The final answer here is the slope of the line through these 2 points is -1. Final answer. So great work here. Remember, slope is always change in y over change in x. And in problem number 4, we'll use slope again. This time, we're going to find a missing coordinate when we already know this slope.